Welcome back. You can access the Docs aspect of Canva. And as of the recording of this video, you can access Docs on the front panel of the Canva dashboard. What we are going to do is we're going to click on this link that says Docs. This is going to open up an interface, and you're going to want to sign up for Canva Docs. Now, it's important to note that when starting the process, this video started out in Microsoft Edge. However, this screen did not appear where you would be able to click on this area that says Try Out Canva Docs. And so we are going to click on this dialog that says Try Out Canva Docs. What you'll notice now in the Google Chrome access to Canva that there is a button here that says Canva Docs. Once we do that, upon logging out of Microsoft Edge and logging back in, we then see the button on our dashboard in our account that says Canva Docs. We're going to click on that button. That's going to open up this element. We're going to click on this button that says Start Writing. Once you're inside of Canva Docs, you're going to click this button. That's going to open up the Canva Docs menu. We can start first with Magic Write. What you're going to notice is that you're going to need to agree to some terms of service. It's a good idea to click on this link and read on the terms of service before you go and try out Magic Write. Once you have read through the terms of service, you can then go back to trying out Magic Write. We're going to click on Try It Out. For an example of a command that you can give Magic Write, you can click Try an Example. This will give you a way of seeing what Magic Write will do for you and how you can fit it into your content idea. We're going to write in a question and then we're going to click Enter. We are now going to click Enter. And then Magic Write will generate content for us. Once you check the accuracy, you can then proceed with using Canva Docs. We're going to stop the video here and we're going to pick it up from another aspect of Canva Docs. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.